What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is tune day for the Evo 8. What we're gonna start off with is pulling off the bumper because she's just a little bit too low to make it on the dyno. So let's pop this bumper off. This thing's all dialed in, got the oil leak fixed. We got fresh oil in the car. Cut open the filter, it's all clean. What else was wrong with it? Is that it?
I think so.
Yeah. 10 minutes from now, she should be on the dyno. Hopefully turn it up. I don't know what it's gonna make. Guess we'll see. While we're hanging out waiting for that car to hit the dyno, Bobby and I are gonna take the Evo 10 to the gas station real quick. I can't rip on it yet because they still need to bring it on the street and make sure it's not like doing anything crazy before I beat on it. But this is gonna be my first reaction of a tiny little just dip into it, you know, on the 85, 700 horsepower.
Don't get too carried away,
It just sounds crazy. I already want 1,000 now.
Has always felt beefy. What?
That wasn't even a ring.
I know, but I can tell you want to.
Ooh, she got the hot boy. Before we get any further in today's video, we do have an important PSA. Avalon King is having a major sale on all their ceramic coating kits, which is what we use on paint and windows and wheels and wrap and all that stuff. The code is 4th July. I'll have it on the screen and have it linked down below as well. It's up to 55% off on their kit. So I think if you order 3 kits, it comes out to like $105. Really, really cheap right now. Go check them out. I'll have them linked down below. I think this is the biggest sale they've ever had. Go cop some while it's cheap. All right, we got some waters, some monsters, some protein bars. This is the next dyno victim. You ready for this, Sauce?
As ready as I can be.
Hell yeah. See what she does.
This is the child I'm worried most about.
This one's got me hyped. So right now Aaron is going through getting the startup dialed in and all of like the idle drivability of the car, and then we're gonna send it for the boys.
That didn't sound good.
$135 horsepower.
Oh, baby, why did it make that popping noise?
Something weird happened. They're just like cutting out and something sounded a little funny. Oh yeah. 700 horse Evo 10, 135 horse Evo 8. What's up? Your old Civic made more power than that.
I don't think it did, honestly. I think it made 117.
More like it. That was 380.
287.
387? Damn, I'm way off. Hey, we doubled the power. 300. That was the third pole. The first pole made 135 horsepower. The second one made 287. The third one made 300. So it appears that the boost control solenoid, the 3-port that we have on there, is dead. It's a GM one. I kind of cheaped out and did that instead of the grim speed. That made 320, that's getting there. It's a little bit better. So we may have to throw on a new Grimspeed 3-port or...
Do they have that here?
Yeah. Or a manual controller. I'd rather have EBCS though. Let's go see what he says. I like the first pull.
135.
135. Let's just leave it at 135.
So the worst that we've ever had a car come in where it seemed like it was actually running correctly, started at 198.
198. So I got him beat at 135. It's gonna be your car, babe. 135 horse.
Wow. Yeah.
So much power.
New controller time?
Yeah, new controller time.
Here is the scoop. We're attempting again. We're gonna make sure the boost solenoid's working. If that's smooth and we don't have any other issues, we should be able to start turning it up. But if we keep running into problems, it's already 6 p.m. We're just gonna have to leave the car here. That's the current scoop. You like that? So we got the boost control issue all figured out. We are good to go. We're gonna finish this pump gas tune and we're gonna grab some E85 right now. This place is beautiful. It's a big tank.
This is the power making box in here for all the ethanols.
This is the sauce. It's a depressing number for pump gas. But technically I should slot some different pistons in there.
Honestly, yeah. I mean, like we never do 10-to-1s ever, unless it's a ethanol only.
Yeah.
20 pounds is usually where we leave them. On a quick spooling turbo, it's worse because it's more power sooner, and that's harder on it. If it was like a big turbo car, it's not a big deal because it spools so late. So peak torque's not really. It's not till later in the RPM. So on it's just kind of what we do. It has a big power band though, like peak torque at basically 4,500. And almost 330. So I mean, you know, once we get ethanol in there, it should be it'll wake this car up a lot. But in reality, we're just not big pump gas high compression.
Pump gas is all finished up. We're putting E85 in right now. It made really sad power, I would say, on pump gas, but it is a 10-to-1 compression, which they don't want to push on pump gas. E85, they're willing to send it, you know. It's up to 18 PSI on pump gas, and it made like 360.
362.7.
It should make 500 though on E.
You think?
Yeah, I'm guessing at least 5 on E, which I'd be happy with. But pump gas, I'd have to essentially put new pistons in it to make the power I want. But whatever, it is what it is. 470.
25 or 6 pounds.
That's gonna be 520. That was 26 PSI. Oh, 505.
There you go.
We are 100% done tuning both cars. The Evo 8 made 505 on 26 PSI on the 85. Solid number. What's up?
I want an Evo again.
You're sick of the Subaru life?
Kinda.
Why?
I don't really know, but all these Evos here are making me miss Rose.
I have yet to feel either car on the street. I'm really excited. I think the 8 is gonna be still a lot more fun than the 10 because it's such a quick spool.
Maybe then I should drive the 8 because I'll have more fun. Zipping around town. Sorry.
I just wanna go drift it. I just wanna go slide it. Slide it for the boys.
I will let this one warm up for a sec.
All right, let's get a cold start for the boys. Don't beat on her too much.
I'm not, honestly, like this thing kind of scares me now.
feels so damn good. Get in
Where are we going?
for a cruise.
Can I grab my stuff really quick in my Percy?
Hurry. Bobby's gonna jump in right now. We're gonna go on a little drive and I'm gonna see how it feels. I haven't done an actual true full pull with it yet, so I'm really curious to see what she actually feels like. Did you rip on it?
I did one little freaking pull.
In the 10?
Yes.
And?
It's weird because it like kind of like cuts out a little bit and all of a sudden you're like.
And it hurts your head?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go do a little ripper.
It just breaks your neck.
I'm not gonna do anything crazy.
That gets your butterflies flapping. Yeah, this is fun, baby. The 10 is too much for me.
Too much power?
Yeah,
Really?
it's insane.
Can I do a U-turn here?
Better hurry. What do you think?
I'm always looking for cops behind me.
I know, it's kind of sketchy. So you're telling me we don't get Chick-fil-A?
Going away line. Wait, this is the wrong turn.
It is.
What do you think? Fast? You see how like responsive it is?
Yeah.
There's no turbo lag like the Evo 10 has. I'm guessing that 10's super laggy.
It's so laggy, but once you get into that boost, I tell ya. I love the way this one sounds.
It pulls like, oh my god, these brakes. It pulls from the bottom to the, not all the way to the top. It only runs to 75. She doesn't rev all that high, but down low, man, she's a ripper.
She's a ripping away.
I am scared to drive the 10.
Honey, it's
We're gonna have to go on the highway for that because it's so laggy.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Did it run good?
The 10? Yeah, it runs phenomenal. I just don't like how it like kind of cuts out
Yeah,
like
like
right
this.
before you get into it.
Sort that out for sure. They think it's that fuel pump thing. That's the adjust.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Because at first I went into boost and it was like kind of throwing me around because it like, yeah, but.
You having fun in the Evo?
I'm so tired, but yes.
She a ripper?
You're almost out of gas.
She used up all the E. I haven't driven the Evo 10 whatsoever. What Bobby says though, it sounds pretty quick.
It's freaking insane.
So I'm not gonna drive it till tomorrow. We have to refill up on E85. Bobby drained the tank today, ripping on her too much. I've driven the Evo 8 all day and it's crazy. The car's so freaking fun. So
crazy.
I'm gonna definitely get my reaction of driving the 700 horse Evo tomorrow on the way back to Spokane. Big shout outs to English for getting the cars tuned, up and running, tuned, making good power. They run good. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I'll see you guys tomorrow.